Hi, welcome to video number 7. Before I get started, I have a little surprise for you. Come with me. There they are! The perpetrators. Where's the other one? Why am I missing one? Anyway, so there was one. His name is Terrence. He's my tear bear. The other one's name is Eliza. But she's not really a woman. Anyways, number 7. Finger licking. I'm actually like really freaking bad at this. So we're gonna take it nice and slow. Okay, you wanna see my fingers? My fingers. Okay, nice and slow. Already. Good. Okay. Woo. Okay. Rest.